Hey everyone, so in this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail when it shows a sending failed error. This is the full guide for 2026, and yeah, these tips will help you get your emails sending again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes Gmail can't send emails if your connection is weak or disconnected. Next, double check the email address you're sending to. A small typo can cause the sending failed error. If you're using Gmail in a browser, clear cache and cookies. For mobile apps, clear app data or reinstall Gmail. It often fixes sending issues. Look at your Gmail outbox. If there are unsent emails stuck there, try resending or deleting them and composing a new message. For third-party email clients, check your SMTP server settings. Incorrect server settings can cause sending errors. Browser extensions or security apps can block Gmail from sending emails. Try disabling them temporarily to see if that fixes the issue. If none of these solutions work, contact Google support. They can check for account-specific issues and help restore normal sending functionality. And yeah, that's how to fix Gmail sending failed errors in 2026. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.